Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a QR code for your Facebook profile or your Facebook page. So first of all, open up Facebook. Now once you're at Facebook, come to your profile. Now once you're at profile, click on these three dots right here. Now in here, scroll down and you will see this link right here. If you are using a page, you will also see this link. Just copy this link. After that, we're going to go to Google. Now in Google, we're going to type in QR code generator. You can use any one of these code generators. I will go for this one right here. Just click on it. Now here I'm at the website. Now in here I'm just gonna paste my link. So after my link has been pasted, click on generate QR code. Now in here you can get a customized QR code, but for that purpose you will have to just sign up to the website. It's totally free, you can do that. And after you're done with all that, you can just download it as well, but they will ask you to sign up. And if you don't want to do that, you can just simply take a screenshot. Here I've taken a screenshot and in here crop the picture so that only the QR code is inside it, and just download it. So now you've gotten yourself a QR code for your Facebook page. So that is how you can get a QR code for your Facebook profile or Facebook page. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a QR code for your Facebook profile or your Facebook page. So first of all, open up Facebook. Now once you're at Facebook, come to the home page of your profile or your page. Now once you're at the home page, right click on the page and click on create QR code for this page. And Google will give you a QR code for your Facebook profile or page. You can copy it and download it as well. So that is how you can get a QR code for your Facebook profile or Facebook page.